In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move conversations in a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. First off, let's start by selecting the conversation that you want to reorganize. Open your Slack app and navigate to the specific chat you want to move. This could be a channel, a direct message, or even a group chat. Just find it and get it ready because we're going to tidy things up a bit. Now, once you have your conversation open, look towards the top right corner of your window. There, you'll see the conversation header, and we're going to use the 3 dots icon, which is where all the additional options are hidden. If for some reason you can't see that 3 dots icon, it might be because your Slack window is too narrow. If that's the case, don't hesitate to maximize the window so everything is visible and you don't miss out on our next step. So, once you've clicked on that 3 dots icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the Move Conversation option. Depending on your version of Slack, it may also say Move to Section. Just go ahead and click on that option. If for any reason you don't see this option at all, it probably means that custom sections haven't been created or enabled in your workspace yet. That's something to keep in mind, and if that's the case, you might want to reach out to your Workspace admin for assistance. Now, after selecting the Move option, the fun part begins, selecting your target section. A list of your custom sidebar categories will pop up. You might see sections like Projects, Priority, or Teams based on how your workspace is organized. This is where you can really put things into order. Take a moment to review the categories and find the one that makes the most sense for where you want to store that conversation. Once you've chosen the right section, go ahead and click on it. This will move the conversation to the designated section in your sidebar, helping to streamline your Slack experience. It's a small step that can significantly impact how easily you can navigate through your conversations, especially when you're juggling multiple projects or teams. And that's it. You've successfully moved your conversation in Slack. It's all about making your workspace more manageable and ensuring that you can find what you need quickly. Remember, keeping things organized can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, do consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Adjusting your conversation organization in Slack might seem minor, but it can greatly enhance your daily workflow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that can help